around. It's decorated really beautifully for Christmas. There's a castle?
Yeah.
Wow! There's even a free carousel here. She went on the carousel and had so much fun. The carousel is actually free and you just keep going on it if there's not a lot of crowds. It's amazing and it's so beautiful here. There's so much. What happened? There's so much space to run around. Hey you! Did you fly off of that? Oh my goodness, she loves to run. Looking for something fun to do with your kids this Navidad? Come on over to Parque Central de los Niños in Bayamón. It's so cute. There's so much space for kids to run around, so many different activities, and it's decorated so beautifully. They even have a free carousel from 4 to 8 p.m. on some nights. Just take out this calendar to see when they're open. We hope everybody has a beautiful holiday season. Feliz Navidad a todos.